reached. I got my bags. I did everything. It's very hot over here. She's pushing my bags now. Um, it's quite hot. And I'm also very tired. Now that I'm done with all the airport, I can sit and tell you guys about it. I lost the passport cover. I don't know where it went. I think they took it out at immigration and forgot to put my passport back in. So fine, I can get another cover. That is not a problem. But I'm here with 4 bags. Successfully made it to another country. And I'm blabbering because I'm very tired and sleepy. I'll see you guys after this.
Six and a half hours later.
We are going to Ikea now. It's my first time out. Look at the sky. I don't know if you can see, but there are clouds here. It looks really pretty. We are a bunch of us going now. You know her. You've seen her in my previous vlogs. And let's go. Look at the clouds. It's so pretty. So this is the building they're staying at. We have made it to Ikea and I'm gonna show you guys inside. It's quite a big one. It's my first time ever at any Ikea. The cars here obviously are amazing, but let's go to Ikea. Here is Ikea. This setup, it is so beautiful, so aesthetic. This is my dream setup, my dream kitchen setup, the dark aesthetic. Found it. Also, this is like a dream wardrobe setup. I have my jewelry here, luxury bags on display, even though I have none at the moment. Imagine putting your stuff in here. These are just so cute. This is what it looks like on the inside. The bed is cute too, but I think it's like very high. Okay, now this is my dream setup now. I found it. I found my dream setup. I love the colors and everything. I really can't get over this setup. I mean, this is like my dream setup now. I love how this looks. You know you are officially an adult when furniture excites you more than other things in life. and I am going mad at furniture over here. Like everything. Look at this kitchen behind me. I don't cook a lot, but I would look good in it. Check this out. Look at this. So cute. Not my aesthetic, but this kitchen is very cute. If it was me, I would have black cabinets along with grey backsplash and wood countertops. This table is so cute. It's a table which has chairs, but it also has lattice for storage. So you can use it for cutting, dining, everything. Like this is so fantastic. This kitchen setup too. It's cute.
What do you want?
Let me show you guys these drawers. So you have this outer drawer, you open it, and you actually got these drawers here inside too, which are like cute, which are so cute. And I think they're like motion sensor lights. This grey backsplash and countertop looks so cute. Check this gaming setup up for all you gamer heads. Look at that, it's so cool. You don't know this table setup, you can actually bring it up and down. These are the buttons for down. Okay, and if you want it up, it can go high up. Suppose you want to stand and do it. Like these tables are so cool. Check this wardrobe out. Look at the mirror. This is every girl's dream. A full length mirror. Check out this one too. Like it's so cool. I think this one's a sliding door one. Yes. And here is us. Where you going? Come here. And here's us. Ikea shopping. We haven't picked anything out, but this is so soft. I found my dream wardrobe. Look at this wardrobe setup. Damn, this is so cute. We are getting food now. I'm trying shawarma for the first time. Let's see how it is. I'm trying shawarma for the first time here in Dubai, and also it's Ikea food, so let's try it.
So these are your orders: 2 shawarma, 1 chicken hot dog, ice cream, 1 steak, and 1 chicken hot dog with soft drink.
So this is the way you gotta pay.
Sauce they will have to put.
The food looks so dead here. So apparently for hot dogs and shawarma you have to go separately and get the sauce. In India we get it late for us there only, but we have to go here and get it separately. She's got some chocolate stick and ice cream. So this is how you get extra sauce. Shawarma, guys. There is. So the drinks here are refillable. You can refill your drink and take any one. I told him to get peach iced tea. Very tea.
Tea, like tea cold.
It's nice.
Right?
This is like dead, but it's temper, so it's okay. We are here at another place for some light show. I'm gonna show you guys. Today I walked so much, my feet hurt. I'm from Goa. We don't walk so much. We take our bike and we go wherever. But this is like, it's not.
This is Dubai.
Oh my god, the view, you guys! I am dying. Oh my god, check this. Okay, now I feel like I am in Dubai. I want to sit in that. There, that is a book shaped building and it's a library. But check this out, you guys. Just check this out. We're here for a light show. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's the Burj Khalifa there shining.
Usually they use cannon, no? While breaking a fast.
Which
At
cannon? Oh.
Yes, every day at 6:30 when they break their fast.
6:31.
So what do you do exactly with this?
That's the Burj Khalifa over there. The first time my eyes have fallen on a Tesla. Let's go closer. So this is Model 3. I believe the doors open up on either side. That is Model Y. So cute. A closer view of the Teslas. Check that out there. And check this out. So basically those images are also reflected on the water up here. But I've put a pan at this side for you to get a clear view. This is Cafe Leto, which got famous for Alia Bhatt's milk cake, but I'm not trying it out now. Of the trip, which is actually this Bath and Body Works perfume. I didn't get any because I lose all the bottle caps back in India, so I couldn't get any perfumes. I was scared it would break. But I made my first purchase. This is my first ever Bath and Body Works purchase. First purchase done, 35 dirhams.
With jasmine.
So I got this one. This is the perfect berry type of smell for me. Also the shade is like been my favorite recently. But I did my first purchase. We're actually here at a place where people tie locks on the bridge. It's like the love lock thing that happens in Paris. It also happens here. I'll show you guys the locks. So these are the locks, and this entire bridge is covered with locks, and you can see people write on it and stuff. There are like very old locks too. Check this place out, guys. It looks so beautiful. There are like lights covered with flowers and stuff. There's the water there. You can just come here and sit. It looks so pretty.